Hi, good morning everybody. My name is Brian Flores, and we have Lisette and Gerardo.
Alabama, 1933. During the Great Migration, Judge Horton is the judge of the Scottsboro Boys trial. They were charged in 1931 of raping 2 women. 8 out of the 9 were sentenced to death. During this time, people were looking for jobs like the Scottsboro Boys. They needed money for their families and themselves. The trial is recognized as one of the worst American judicial tragedies. After handing down statements, Judge Horton was taken off the case by the Alabama Supreme Court in place of Judge Williams Washington Callahan.
As 21st century defenders of justice for all, which of the documents from our trials will you use to educate your community about problems of injustice and intolerance in American society, and what solutions will you suggest for solving these problems? Back in the day, there was a lot of injustice, by the way your skin tone was, your race, and etc. Today in the 21st century, there's still injustice. But what is different from this time period and before was that they would kill other people who weren't from America. Today in the 21st century, they wouldn't kill because killing is forbidden in the law.
I have done what I thought
Back in the
right
1930s, it didn't matter if you killed or not. The only thing that mattered to them was their right as an American. During the years, people have realized that it's unfair to take away another life just because of the difference of race.
The guy can be locked up forever for something he didn't do. Another quote is, "Take the evidence, sift it out, and find the truth and truth of the render you direct." What this quote means is that the evidence is going to find the truth or not. It matters because if it matters because the evidence that it's talking about are going to find out if it's the truth or not or false. That could put them in jail or whatever juvie or not. It's when they lied. Another one is, you are not trying whether or not the defend white or black. You are not trying whether you are there white or black. This quote is saying that they had to try to no matter the white or black. It means that the people shouldn't matter if they're white or black. One last quote is that it says, "You are not trying lawyers. You are not trying state lines." What this is saying is that the Scottsboro Boys, that the lawyers weren't trying to defend them. And then it matters because if they didn't defend them, that they could go to prison or juvie or wherever they go, sentenced to death.